Hey guys, it's your favorite realtor Alicia with CEO Property Advisors. We're here to bring you the latest, newest available home in the historical Porterdale district. This beautiful ranch features this amazing front porch area. You can come out here and sip your coffee and tea in the morning. Inside, it features a family room with 2 open archways. Plenty of space. Completely remodeled. You have a double door entry into your owner suite. Take a look at all that space, the recessed lights, and this really cute barn door, sliding door for your owner's bath. And what I love about this owner's bathroom is it has 2 linen closets. 2. Mine and mine. Just kidding. This bathroom also features a custom tile shower with the seat. We all know how important that seat is. Beautiful work. And this owner suite bathroom also features a double vanity. Take a look at the lighting. Very cute. Very spacious. All right. Once you come out of the owner suite, you can walk into your living area and you have a formal dining area here. Very spacious. Open to the kitchen area if you love entertaining or having people over. This is the perfect setup. This completely remodeled home also features a huge kitchen island in the kitchen with bar stools. Very, very nice custom cabinets. Also stainless steel appliances. We love the brick accent wall, the pendant lights. Again, open to your family area, your dining area. And then you have 2 more bedrooms here and a full bath in between. Great full bath, plenty of space. And you also have another guest room here. Light, bright, airy, a lot of natural sunlight. Let's take a look at the other side here. You have this great mud area. So if you're coming in from the back with your groceries, your coats, your shoes, you have a great area here, which also has another full bath here, just in case you need another full bathroom for your guests. And it features a huge laundry room. Look at all that space. Water heater behind that door. So this is the back part. Again, you have a full bath. Large mudroom area and straight into your home. Look at all this beautiful space. A very, very nice ranch. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. All your entertaining needs. Call us today. Take a look. This could be your new home.